Dear students, welcome to PUC second year biology class. And the next topic in the chapter environmental issues, we are going to study about the deforestation. In the diagram you can easily see the lungs from the plants which has been arranged, and at the down where my mouse is moving, you can see here the people are cutting down the trees or the plants. And when we cut down the trees, it is like killing our lungs. We are slowly killing the cells of the lungs. That manner it will happen. So this is one of the meaningful diagram which we can observe. Nowadays, because of the luxurious life that is being leading by the human being, he is polluting the nature. He is not only polluting the nature, at the same time he is destroying the natural resources for his greed, not need. Even if it is his need, the nature can attain it, but not the greed. The nature cannot attain the greed of the people, but it can attain the need of the people. Because of his greed, he is destructing the ecosystem, he is destructing the forest area. One day or the other day, it will affect us. Because of these, all those things, deforestation, the meaning of the deforestation is it is the conversion of forested area into non-forested areas. The forested area is being cut down. There may be so many reasons why do we cut down, because of the many of the illegal activities will be taking place, because of the commercial purpose, because of the earning the money. People go for cutting down the trees in the forest. Very valuable trees will be there in the forest, which will be having the medicinal values, commercial values. Because of that, the person will be cutting down those day by day. The amount, the area that should be there in the forest is being reduced. So another topic which is concerned to us is deforestation. It is the conversion of forested areas into non-forested areas. Almost 40% forests have been lost in the tropics, compared to only 1% in the temperate region. Tropic region is highly disturbed. Therefore, keeping in that view, National Forest Policy of India in the year 1988 has been passed. It has recommended a 33% forest cover for the plains and 67% for the hills, but we have only 19% forest cover. It was about 30% at the beginning of the 20th century. All these things, National Forest Policy is being done, wherein which the other activities, illegal activities, like taking away the valuable trees, taking away the medicinal plants, restricting the forest area, killing of the animals, all these things are being prohibited under this act, Indian Forest Policy Act, which is passed in the 1988 to protect the wildlife. Reason for deforestation. There are so many reasons for the deforestation, but to study some of the reasons for the deforestation are conversion of forest to agricultural land. The people who are living, I will give you one of the best example of the Amazon rainforest. The people who are living near to that, you'll see that conversion of forest to agricultural land is being done by the people. It may be constructing the houses, it may be constructing the industries. For timber, firewood, cattle ranching, etc. Many of the commercial purposes also, these trees in the forest are being cut down. Slash and burn agriculture. One of the ways the people have been adopted is slash and burn agriculture, or otherwise it is also called zoom cultivation.
non lo sanno.